Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where sticky notes is stuck on loading sticky notes on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So it's not very difficult to resolve this problem. Here's what you have to exactly do. Search for sticky notes in the Windows search bar. In the right pane, click on the downward pointing arrow and select app settings. And then you can scroll down and terminate the process. Then click on repair and let it repair the sticky notes application till you get a tick mark here. Then click on reset and finally click on reset once again and wait till you get the tick mark here. So this is what you can do for the sticky notes application. If it doesn't work, just uninstall it and let it uninstall. It will need a few minutes for it. Then search for store and go to the Microsoft Store and then search for sticky notes here. And then you can go to Microsoft Sticky Notes and select install. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.